Hello guys!
Hello everybody!
We are Eliska
and Sophie.
I am from Ukraine
And I'm from Czech Republic.
and today we're gonna cook a Czech recipe.
And it's called carrot sauce with potatoes.
It's a vegan recipe you will enjoy a lot. So let's see what we need to do this.
For this recipe we are going to use mostly carrots. You can see one box. Then you can see the vegan butter, but you can also use normal butter, but the recipe will not be anymore vegan. Then we are going to use lemon, milk and flour, potatoes, herbs and olive oil. The first step is to clean potatoes, because these potatoes are young and nice. We use this. And now you can see my beautiful assistant to cut the potatoes or little pieces, little squares.
Now we're putting dill on the potatoes. And yeah, don't forget the salt, guys. And then we will put olive oil. So now we will put the potatoes with olive oil, dill and salt on a baking tray with baking paper. Don't forget to cover the tray with the potatoes with foil. And we put the covered potatoes in the oven. And here we put number 3, what is also 180 degrees. We also need to clean and peel the carrot, and Miss Eliska is doing this.
I cleaned the carrots, all of it, and now we need to grate it. We will use the grater, and we need really fine pieces of carrot. But you see that these pieces are quite big, so later on we need to use a blender. Now the carrot is grated. I put the butter in a pot and let it melt. Now it's right time to put the carrot inside, like this. Okay?
Yeah.
And now we will fry the carrot a little bit for a short time, and then we will put hot water.
So now we put water, hot water, boiling water inside the carrots. Miss Eliska, how much water do we need?
I will tell you. Continue. Stop. I will check it. More.
And how do you see how much water we need?
The water should be about the carrot. Not too much. Stop. But not too less, because the water will evaporate during the cooking. So maybe a little bit more. Stop. I think this is enough. In a case of need, we can pour another water during the cooking. Another step is to put a salt inside. Now is the right time. I put some salt, but of course we can put more salt later. Let's check the carrot. I put the cover. You can see how it's cooking. The fire is settled on medium flame. Stir it. It looks very well.
Now 30 minutes in the oven have passed, and we take the tray out and we need to mix the potatoes. And put them back in the oven. So now it's been around 45 minutes altogether, and we have this dish. The potatoes are baked. Now we took them out and they are ready. So now when the carrot is soft, we're going to take the blender and we're going to blend the carrot very nicely to obtain little pieces.
Now the carrot is cooked. Almost ready. The first step is to put dill, mix. The dill makes nice smell and also taste. Now it looks like this.
Smells amazing.
And because we want sauce and not soup, we also need to put flour in a milk and mix properly. You can see that consistency is changing. It starts to be more creamy. And now we need to boil it a little bit. We cook a little bit, few minutes, and I switch over the flame. And now it's important to make a good taste. We will use the salt, sugar and lemon.
Enjoy. Bon appétit.